So in the fourth point, we'll discuss about the fourth point of encouragement of small scale industries. Encouragement encouragement to small scale industries, small scale enterprise or industries. The small scale sectors need to be encouraged through multiple initiatives like liberal finance, technical training, supply of raw materials, infrastructural facilities, and marketing of their products. Why? Because these small scale industries can create huge employment in rural areas and in semi urban areas. It has the potentiality to create a huge employment in rural areas and semi-urban areas. So if we can encourage these small scale industries by giving them or by introducing some new laws like some liberal finance some some liberal financing policies. Liberal financing policies means they will be given some freedom to take some financial they can take from their own, they can take some financial policies. Okay. Technical training, if they are given some technical training from government sides, they are supply some raw materials, they are supplied some raw materials, they are given some infrastructural facilities, and if they are given some marketing knowledge, if they are given some marketing knowledge of their products, then definitely their productions, their output, their income definitely will increase, and it will create an immense employment opportunities in rural and semi-urban areas. And that is why if we can encourage to small scale enterprise or small scale industries, it will be a remedy for unemployment. Number 5 point is improvement in infrastructure. Improvement in infrastructure. So we know about the infrastructure. So infrastructural facilities we have to increase, or we have to improve the infrastructural facilities. So in infrastructure facilities, health, education, irrigation, electricity, roads, these are the crucial things of infrastructure of a country. Health, education, irrigation, electricity, roads, these are the essential things of the parts of infrastructure. These are the parts of infrastructure. Educations, we have to improve the education, we have to improve the health, we have to improve the irrigation, electricity, roads. All these things we cannot improve without help of infrastructure facilities. So that is why this is the critical, or this is a essential parts of infrastructure of a country. And it is said that the critical for overall development of the economy. So it is also critical in health, education, irrigation, electricity, roads. All these are critical. That means these are the essential things, these are the essential parts or the essential points of a country to become a developed country. Okay. And better infrastructural facilities enable agriculture and industry sector to produce to their full capacity. So if we can increase the if we can increase infrastructural facilities, then definitely it will facilitate the agriculture sector, then definitely it will facilitate the industrial sector, so that they can produce their goods in their full capacity. Okay. And for that we have to improve the infrastructural parts. For that we have to improve the infrastructural parts. That means we have to invest in health, we have to invest in education, we have to invest in irrigations, invest in electricity, roads, railways. Okay. All these are the points that we have to, all these are the sectors that we have to improve. Okay. Otherwise infrastructure will not improve. So if we can improve these parts, then definitely agriculture, industry, service, all these sectors will can produce their goods, can produce their services in their full capacity, and definitely it will generate more employment. So if we can improve the infrastructure in our country, then definitely it will be a remedy for unemployment. Okay, so I have discussed 5 points. There are so many other points you can read also, but at least 6 marks questions. If you discuss 5 points, then you will get full marks. But for 6 marks points, you at least you have to write 5 points and explain these points at least 2-3 lines. You have to at least 2-3 lines for each points. You have to write at least 2-3 lines. Okay, so this chapter is completed. This chapter, oh no, last one thing is remain, the government policies. After that, this chapter will be completed.